This is not a performance. This is not fashion. This is not spectacle. This is not controversy. This is memory. This is identity. This is continuity. Welcome to Umkosi Wumhlanga, the Zulu Royal Reed Dance. A living tradition, a sacred gathering, a declaration that a people still know who they are. Today, we journey together, not as tourists, not as critics, but as witnesses. From the royal homestead of KwaZulu-Natal Royal Palace to the